Today we are doing lash clusters. I'm excited to do this on video. I just taught myself how to do these in the last 6 months, so I'm pretty new. But these ones are like a very natural brown and they're really short, so it might be hard to see them on me in the video, but my natural lashes are really straight. So it shouldn't be, I'll do like before and after pictures. But yeah, so first of all, I just bought these off Amazon. They're like $13 Canadian. And the bands are actually kind of long. So what I'll do is I'll like map out the ones I want to put on each eye, and then I cut the end ones in half. Because I find if the bands are too long, it starts to like lift a bit. So I just cut like this one and the corner one in half, and I do them separately, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and map them out and cut them, and then I'll show you guys. So this is the sizes 12, 10, and 8. So I'm put mine over here, and I'm using a 12, which I cut in half, 3 10s, and an 8 on each eye that I also cut in half. The first thing that I'm gonna do is curl my lashes. And I do have a little mirror beside my phone in case I need, to get a better look at my eyeball. Because I tried to do this on my phone once and I didn't post it because I couldn't do it. So I feel like I'm going to have better luck today for some reason, but we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll post it even if I can't do it, because that's just reality, right? So this is the lash glue, this is the bond, and then this is the seal, which I'll show you at the end what you do with the seal. Oh, I should also show you that I have 2 different types of tweezers here. And I use these ones to like put the lashes on, and then I use these ones to like press them together and at the end. So again, I'll show you as we go. Ooh, this is brand new and it's really full. Okay then. So I'm just gonna like pick up my eye and put the glue at the bottom of my lashes. And then I like to kind of, before I let go, kind of spread it out so it doesn't look so chunky. Because otherwise it looks chunky. And then I usually start with the 12 at the end. Okay, now my fingers are sticking to my tweezers. This is real life. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab the 12. I don't know if you can see it. I kind of hold it in the middle of the lash. And then I hold it with my left hand. Oh my gosh, this glue is so spilly. My other glue was like dried out, so I didn't have this issue. And then I just put some of the glue on the bottom of the lash that is going towards my lashes, like at the bottom, because what I'm gonna do is lift and then place it, and then I just kind of push it up with the tweezer. But see, these are hard to see on the camera. It's on there. You can see a little bit of the corner now. And then I'm just gonna go along and put glue on the next half of the 12. Maybe I should do 2 12s and make it a little bit more noticeable. Because like when people do these lashes, they usually use like 16s or whatever, and they're black, so they're a lot easier to see. But I'm like a very I like to keep things really natural because I've never worn lashes, and I think going from not wearing them at all to wearing like really crazy ones, it's too much. It looks too fake on me, and I don't like that look. If I'm going like out to like a festival or something, or a concert or something, then yeah, I would wear black, but I would probably take them off the next day. Okay, you can kind of see them. And I think some people honestly also like layer them on top to make them look fuller. I haven't actually tried doing that yet. I just kind of do them side by side. And then here, I'll do this up high so you can kind of see. I'm just wiping the glue just at the bottom of the lash, like just along the band. They're so sticky from the glue. And then I'm just gonna go line it up. Okay, now I can't really see, but oh, my tweezers are stuck to them. Okay, well they're still there. Okay, now you can kind of see that I have more on. If your tweezers get really sticky, then wash them off with water. I'm gonna go do that. Okay, so I just rinsed my tweezers, so I'm gonna go on and do the next cluster, which is another 8. I actually put out 3 10s, and that's too many for this eye. I think the other eye, for some reason, I can fit an extra one on. Maybe I have more lashes on the other side, but oh, I just got on my tweezers again. Anyways, don't get frustrated, Sarah. It's fine. It's all good. You're doing great. Okay, so let's do, as I get in the closer to the middle, it is harder to get it like in the right spot. So I'm just gonna, okay, let's do the middle. So you can tell the difference between these two. Okay, I'm back. I thought my groceries were here because I'm getting them delivered. Oh my god, this glue. The actual like whole inside of the glue just pulled out of the, this is crazy. This glue is crazy. I don't know what's wrong with this glue, but we just need it to get through the rest of my eyes, and then we're fine. Okay, it actually turned out pretty decent for doing it kind of in the dark over here without I hope you guys can see the difference between my eyes now. So that's how I do my cluster lashes. I'm gonna quickly do the other eye and then come back and show you the final results. Okay, I did the other eye, so I have all my clusters on. So the next step is I let them kind of dry for a bit before I seal them, but this one's been drying for a while. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the last step. If I can open my fingers are so sticky from the glue, you guys. I haven't mastered that yet. So yeah, normally I would just kind of go over. See, it's still really sticky because it's still sticking to the, I probably also have glue on this from the last time I did it, but we're gonna figure it out. So yeah, I just kind of press them down with this tweezer, and then I take the seal side, hopefully it doesn't make a big mess, and I just kind of work it into the glue. Now I don't know if it's better to do this when the glue is wet or dry. Maybe somebody knows and can tell me in the comment section. Yeah, so that's how I do my lashes, and so far so good. These are, like I said, these are the very natural brown ones. I'm going to pop on here and show you that I figured out some sort of lashes. So yay. Okay, have a good night.